So the last week or so has been pretty great in crypto. A lot of coins had rallied. If you had taken advantage of the last major dip in crypto when Bitcoin was sitting around $52,000, you'd have been up on your investment right now on most of the plays. The right plays anyways, because some coins went up 50%, some 100% plus, and then there were those coins which they went up like 5%, if that. So unfortunately, Kaspa is one of those coins that didn't really do much during the big rally. So the question is Kaspa over? Is this the end of the road? Are we ever going to see gains again? That's what we need to talk about in today's video. But first, for anyone that's looking for a great crypto indicator, which lets you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto, and also lets you know when there's a bearish momentum and a bullish momentum happening in any particular coin, then I highly suggest you check out my link to Trade Assist. It's a very useful tool to have in your back pocket. Also, there's going to be a link to my Patreon for anyone that's curious to know what I'm buying and when I'm buying. And if you want access to exclusive content also, there's going to be a link for my Patreon. And if you're a leverage trader, check out my link to Margex. It requires no KYC. But let's take a look at a few things. So if we take a look at the fear and greed index, right now we are in greed. So things are going in the right direction. All right. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like people are greedy to scoop up the Kaspa dips, which I'm going to show you guys in just a bit. I'm going to pull up the charts in just a bit. But there's some good stuff going around like Kaspa and its meme coins and its ecosystem and stuff like that. It's just Kaspa itself, like people aren't scooping up the dips. Like if you take a look at Nacho the cat, which is the largest meme coin on Kaspa. This one keeps gaining a lot of traction. It's got over 18,500 followers on X. I hear that there's talks about like 3 different exchange listings. So this one is doing its thing. Okay. And then you take a look at the second, I think this is the second or third, definitely the second most popular meme coin on Kaspa, which is Casper, the Ghost of Kaspa. This one's even got more followers than Nacho. The community for this one is incredible, absolutely incredible. And this one's got an exchange listing coming, I believe, in a week. So this one's doing its thing. They're up to a lot of community engagement. Like things are going pretty well for its meme coins. But then unfortunately, when it comes to Kaspa itself, there's not a lot going on here. Okay, so where is it? Scroll up here. Right now, Kaspa's at spot number 28. It's been flipped a couple times by a few coins, like Sui recently flipped it. I think pretty much all of these coins right here flipped it recently, which is fine. You know, it's sitting at 16.4, or is it? Okay, so it's sitting at 16, nope, 15.98, unfortunately. So the price isn't doing all that well. It's down on the day. A lot of the coins on the day is down though. Bitcoin is back to $63,000. So I expect Kaspa to pull back also. But the only thing is, it almost feels like the altcoins rally, Kaspa stays the same. The altcoins pull back, Kaspa pulls back. So that's the way that it looks like right now. But I would rather this coin remain the same and barely move than completely tank. Because if this coin went in the complete opposite direction where it only went down, then that would be a massive problem. But we're not seeing that. Yes, it's been trading sideways for what feels like a lifetime. We take a look at this chart here. It's literally been, yeah, like it went as high as 20 cents, as low as 10 cents, right? But since like June, it's been trading between like 14 cents and like, let's call this 19 cents since June. So it's been a while since it's made its way up. But that's okay because I hear stories all the time. People watch these coins do absolutely nothing. They don't take advantage of the opportunity. And then the coin skyrockets. And then it's like, shoot, I missed the opportunity. And yes, a lot of people like to say Kaspa already ran. You know, it's up how many thousands of percent in the last like year or whatever. People's already made life-changing gains. But it all comes down to the market cap. And if you guys don't understand market cap, then I don't know what to tell you. Because at a $4 billion market cap, or just under $4 billion market cap, this has lots of room to run in a bull run. Bitcoin was once at a $4 billion market cap, and people were saying that how much further can this thing go? because they were looking at the price, they were looking at the percentage of how much it went up in the last year. They weren't taking in consideration, they weren't taking in the market cap. And the market cap is what really tells you how much room a coin has left to run. And at a $4 billion market cap, this thing has a lot of room to run, regardless of how much it has already ran. Let's take a look at TraderSys here, see what it's saying. So buy zone was fired on September 22nd, and nothing was fired ever since. So I still don't know if this wick to almost 19 cents is legit or if it's just some random thing that happened on the charts. But yeah, so buy zone September 22nd, nothing's happened. It's right now sitting at a recent support level, which is just a few days old. So I can't even really say much about it, but it's around here. There's a little bit of support. So let's see if that actually holds up. If it breaks down, then there is a chance where we're coming back down to 14 cents. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But if it does happen, long-term holders know exactly what to do. They're going to be scooping up the dip and ride the next leg up. It's all about patience sometimes. And I've said this many times on my channel. It's good to have your long-term plays and good to have your short-term swing plays, because while your long-term plays isn't doing anything, you need some action. You need to make some money in the meantime. So why not, have a good swing trades on some coins that you find interesting in the meantime? Because the last thing you want to do is just go all in on any one coin. It doesn't do anything for, let's say, a year, and then you're just missing out on all these different returns because you just wanted to just stick to one coin. Yes, it's good if you believe in a coin. I'm not saying nothing is financial advice. Everything at the end of the day is just my own opinion. If you want to just go all in on Kaspa, you want to go 100% in, you don't want to invest anywhere else, then do you. But just know that there's going to be other opportunities. You're going to be hearing stories of people making an insane amount of money. And if we enter a bear market out of nowhere and everyone was wrong and we're not in a bull run, you're going to be a little bit annoyed with yourself that you didn't take advantage of other opportunities in the market. But Kaspa is still a good one, still a long-term hold, still a good play, and people still going to make life-changing gains regardless of how many percentage it's up over the last year. It's sitting at a $4 billion market cap. Like, that's small. The potential for this thing, massive. Absolutely massive. So I'm not giving up on Kaspa. I don't care that the price is just trading sideways right now. To me, this is a good thing. Like I said, as long as it's not going down, I'm okay. And if it goes down, I know what to do. Do you know what to do if it goes down? I don't know. But anyways, yes. So Kaspa is still looking good to me. Looking at the charts, it's still healthy. I don't care if it's going sideways. It's not going down. We're going to go up eventually. Nothing just goes sideways forever unless, well, I'm not going to mention the coin that goes sideways forever, but some of you probably already know which one I'm thinking. But anyways, that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.